In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix EA Launcher not launching games. Now, there's multiple reasons why this could be happening, and in this video, we go over the most common causes and solutions. So the first thing that I always recommend that you guys do is fully restart your EA app the proper way. So to do that, please close the EA app, then open the Task Manager, which you could do so by just right-clicking over here, then selecting on Task Manager right over here. And then it is going to give you a list of a bunch of processes that are going on your system, and you want to keep on scrolling. And if you see any type of like EA services, you just want to go ahead and click on it, then go ahead and press on End Task just like so. Then once you're done with that, what you want to do is you want to open up EA, but this time you want to open it as an administrator. So please go ahead and do that really quickly. And then afterwards, see if that gets the job done. All right, the next thing that I recommend that you guys do is clear your EA app cache. Now, this is really important. So to do this, open up EA, go to the top left and select on these three bars. Go ahead and select on help, then go ahead and select on app recovery. Once you're done with that, please go ahead and select on this option that says clear cache. And basically what that's going to do, it is going to clear any corrupted files that are in your game files and stuff like that. So if you haven't like played certain games in a while, then the files may be corrupted over time. And that basically gives your EA app and all the games a fresh brand new start. All right, then double check if that does work for you. If that still doesn't work for you, then what I recommend that you guys do is open up the Windows search bar right over here and then type in run. So type in run right over here, press on enter, then enter %, local app data, and then %, right over here. Go ahead and press on OK. Afterwards, you'll notice that we'll get a bunch of folders that look like this. And what you want to do from here is you want to go ahead and scroll down until you find the Electronic Arts and the EA Launch Helper files. So yep, here it is. And all you want to do is you want to select on both of them, right click on it, then go ahead and press on delete just like so. All right, now you will now notice that it will say this action can't be completed because a folder or a file is open in another program. So if that's the case, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and select on this option that says show hidden icons. And if you see the EA app, go ahead and press on exit just like so, then go ahead and try again. All right. There you go. And it was able to go ahead and delete the folder this time. All right, afterwards, open up the EA app again and see if that does work. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.